What if I told you that the cure for cancer may have already been discovered, but you'll never hear about it? A growing number of people believe that powerful forces, governments, pharmaceutical giants, and elite billionaires are keeping it a secret. Is this just paranoia, or is there something they don't want us to know? Cancer is big business. In 2024 alone, the global oncology drug market was worth over $250 billion. That's $250 billion. Think about it. Diagnosis, chemotherapy, radiation, surgery, and long-term care. It's an economic powerhouse. Some ask, if a simple, natural cure existed, would there be an incentive to share it? Critics argue that curing cancer outright could collapse entire sectors of the healthcare economy. And that's where the theory begins. What if the cure is out there, but buried? Over the decades, dozens of miracle cures have surfaced, only to be discredited or banned. One of the most famous, Laetrile, also known as vitamin B17. It was promoted in the 1970s as a cancer treatment, then swiftly banned by the FDA. Another is Rick Simpson oil, a potent cannabis extract. Thousands have claimed it helped them when conventional treatments failed. But medical regulators worldwide insist there's no scientific proof. Coincidence? Or censorship? Dr. Brzezinski, Dr. Raymond Rife, Dr. Max Gerson. These names have become legendary among cancer conspiracy theorists. Each claimed to have developed revolutionary treatments, and each was either discredited, sued, or mysteriously sidelined. Dr. Rife claimed in the 1930s to destroy cancer cells with frequency-based machines, but his lab was mysteriously destroyed, and his work erased from the mainstream. Was he a fraud or silenced? Here's a fact. The pharmaceutical industry spends billions on lobbying and marketing. It's one of the most powerful forces in modern politics and media. Some argue that their influence can bury any threat to their profit model, including potential cures. Many believe the real motive isn't healing, but recurring revenue. After all, what makes more money? A one-time cure or a lifelong treatment plan? So what does the science say about all of this? Of course, mainstream scientists and doctors reject these claims. They argue that cancer is not one disease, but many, each with complex genetic and environmental factors. A universal cure would be like finding one solution for every car problem on Earth. Many so-called miracle cures fail under controlled trials. Others are simply too dangerous. The scientific method, they argue, is slow, but it's the only way to find real answers. Why does this theory persist? Because people are desperate for hope. Because loved ones are lost. Because institutions have lied before. Think of tobacco, thalidomide, or opioids. Mistrust isn't irrational, it's historical. When you've seen corruption in medicine, it's not a leap to believe something is being hidden. But does belief make it true? So, is there a secret cure for cancer? Or is this just the dark side of human hope and suspicion? Until real transparency, open science, and public trust align, this question will haunt millions. Question everything, but seek the truth. If you found this video thought-provoking, hit the like button and share it. Subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden truths the mainstream doesn't want you to hear.